In my last video, I talked about having presentations with slides and text that is just too small. It's so small that you can't even make out how, what it is that you're looking at on the screen there, and people are struggling. And I was saying how it should be at least 75 point font in order for people to see it legibly and also make it bigger if possible. Well, in this week's video, I want to talk about another aspect of your presentation slides, and those are the images that you put onto those slides. Hey there, my name is Carl Kwan, and on this channel you're going to learn presentations, tips, tricks, and how-tos. You'll also see some videos related to my business, which is called Kwan Multimedia. It's a video marketing agency, but for the most part, you're going to see videos related to presentations, tips, tricks, and how-tos. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Alrighty, now when it comes to the images on your slides, you want to make sure that these are also big enough to fill the entire screen. You don't want them so small that they're just kind of up in the corner. Images are a great way to present your ideas when you're giving a presentation. So don't make them too small. Make them fill as much of the screen as possible. Even if it's like half of the screen and you have just a little bit of text on the other half of it, that's great. You can fill up the whole screen with an image and then also just put the text over top of your image. That's also really good too. What you don't want are just those little tiny images that people have to kind of guess or they can't really see from far away. A good rule of thumb is to imagine that you are sitting at the back of whatever room it is that you're presenting in and thinking about that person back there and looking right up at the front. How much can they actually see? You want to make sure that the person at the farthest point from your presentation can actually still see what's on your screen. The second thing I want to talk about when it comes to your images is to make sure you use high quality images. Don't get ones that are super pixelated. If you're looking for images that are free, you can go onto different stock photo sites and find really great images there, and just make sure you get the biggest one. You can always just scale it down smaller, but don't get the smaller, 640 by 480 pixel size photos or images online that you see, because they tend to get really pixelated. They don't really look very good. So when it comes to your presentation slides, of course, make sure, like I mentioned in the other video, that you're using text and fonts that are really big, and at least 75, if not even bigger if possible. But now when it comes to what's on those slides that are pictures and images, make sure those are large and clear and visible as well. And make sure they're high quality with good high pixel counts. When you're selecting on Google, what you can do is actually just select a little tool section there, the settings there, and actually select large image sizes, and you'll get a selection of images that you can use that are much bigger. And again, like I said, you can also just go on to some stock photo sites, and usually those are quite large and good quality. So you'll find something appropriate on one of those, and you won't make the mistake of having pictures that look really bad. All right, let me know if you have any questions or comments about that, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.